Bitcoin is crashing. There's blood in the streets, panic, pandemonium, a lot of theories as to what's going on. In this video is what they're not telling you about this big crash. I need you to buckle up. I need you to be ready, pay close attention. And towards the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you the price you should be buying at. I'm also gonna tell you in this video how much further we could drop, and what I'm gonna tell you might surprise you because this is what they're not telling you about this crash. My name is Steve. Hit that subscribe button. What you are probably doing right now is panicking. You're thinking about buying, maybe you're thinking about selling. You need alerts. You need trade alerts from a professional. And what we're doing during this situation is giving away trade alerts for free for 7 days. Free for 7 days. Trade alerts right to your phone, right to your email. Free, 7 days. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Go to the link, it's right down below. If you have a name, do you have a name and you have an email address? You're in. Put your name and email address right here. No credit card needed. Free, 7 days. Trade alerts, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Now, let's jump into the first chart. We've got white on the MVT HV, major signal, it's bouncing, red, white. Price action, as we showed you, February 7th, gravestone doji candle. What's a gravestone doji? It's a trend reversal. We had a 40% bounce from this low here to the high. We showed you right on this channel a couple weeks ago, this is a gravestone doji. Be prepared for a rollover. We're seeing that with the change to white. Weekly RSI still very bearish, and we took out our pivot low from July of last year. We said that was pretty major, and you can see we're in a pretty big downtrend. We also just had a cross down on our weekly stochastic RSI. We're never able to confirm above the 20, but this is where things really start heating up when we go to the higher time frame, because those tell the big facts in the charts, the facts that people just don't want to pay attention to. MACD cross, we've only had 3 of them in the history of Bitcoin prior to this 2022 one. All of them were major warning signs that a much bigger and deeper crash was around the corner. Now, in 2018, we had this MACD cross, our major warning sign, and then we followed it up with a 50% rally. Got the market really excited. Everybody was super bullish. Then we turned around and had a mega crash. This MACD cross is our major warning sign. Fast forward, 2019, again, MACD cross, and again, a major rally. This time, 65%. Major rally up to here and then rolled over into a mega crash. Our warning, the MACD cross. What just happened? MACD cross. We covered it last month in January, and we said right here on this channel, be prepared, because every time we've had a MACD cross in the past, we went on a pretty big rally. We went on a 40% rally this time, but we were prepared for it. And now we're rolling over. We're also prepared for it. But this is where it gets even more interesting, because on another monthly chart with the stochastic RSI below 20. This is our momentum. This has only happened 2 times in Bitcoin's history. In 2014, we had this. The stochastic RSI dropped below 20. Major warning sign, but then we went on a 50% rally. Everybody was super excited, and then we rolled over, and this one took 579 days to recover. Fast forward precisely 4 years, 2018, same story. Dropped below here on the stochastic RSI below 20, had a 48% rally. Everybody's super excited, but then we rolled over into a mega crash, and this one took 395 days to recover. Now, fast forward 2022, here we are. Drop below 20. Who told you that? We told you that right here, right when it happened. And we were prepared. We said, look, the market could rally. Everybody could get excited, but stay level-headed. Don't follow the herd. Don't follow the news. Emotion is a money killer. Don't let emotion ruin your money. You want to grow your money. You don't want to set your money on fire. So we dropped below here. We had a 40% rally. Everybody pretty excited. And here we are today. We're going to talk about what this red line is in a moment. And if you stay to the end of the video, which I know you're going to do, I'm going to tell you the price to buy Bitcoin at. That's what you're wondering. When should you buy and how much lower should we go? That's the 2 questions that are coming up next. But first, we got to cover the 3-day death cross. Also something nobody's talking about, and also something our channel specializes in. We made a lot of videos in 2018 about precisely the 3-day death cross. Why? Nobody was talking about it. Back here in 2018, nobody thought we would go below 6K. Nobody. Everybody making videos on YouTube said we're not going below 6K. There's no way. All the comments are like, Steve, you're stupid, you're ridiculous. There's no way we're going below 6K. And we just kept beating it over the head. We have the 3-day death cross coming. It's highly probable we're going below 6K. In fact, we're probably going to drop all the way down to the 200-week moving average. We were were a couple $100 off, but again, we had this big cross. Nobody expected it. We dropped all the way down here, and you can see what we're on schedule to do, and we keep beating it over the head. The 3-day death cross is coming. It's coming. It's pushed up our schedule to May 4th right now. It's dependent on price action. The only way to avoid it is have Bitcoin get above this green line. And at some point, we're probably going to rally up to this green line and get everybody excited again. You know, we could come up here, you know, upwards of 50,000 and get everybody excited again and then plummet even lower. So just be prepared for that. You can see we bounced into this channel before when we had our 3-day death cross coming. We rallied up here, everybody excited, and crashed down, and then everyone fearful, but nobody thought below 6K. Then rallied up, and then, you know, you can see that acts as kind of like a little price channel. So just be prepared for it. But that's the 3-day death cross, and every one of our students has this indicator for free that projects it out. Now, let's get into some more certainty, because you're wondering, well, how much lower could we go, and when should you start buying Bitcoin? I have this red line here for a reason, because I'll state it again. And this is, I got a lot of hate from this when we first said 14K many months ago. But again, if Bitcoin closes below 29K, the chart's saying, not me, not what I'm hoping, just the charts are saying, the facts in the charts are saying, it's likely we're going to come down to 14K. Precisely, it's like 13.7. Again, that's what the charts are saying. I brought this up months ago. I got a lot of hate for it, still getting hate for it. But again, it's just the facts in the charts. Don't hate me, hate the chart, because that's what the chart's saying. If you don't want 14K, we better protect 29. Because 29 is the main one. Now, for some good news, because you're looking for when to buy. I told you towards the end of the video, we're going to cover that. And here we are. Let's talk about it. This is the golden zone, something we cover on our channel quite a bit. We've only fallen into the golden zone a few times. It represented the best time to ever buy Bitcoin in its history. So what is the golden zone? Well, you take the Gaussian channel, you put it on the 5-day, and if price drops below the Gaussian channel, that's our golden zone. That tells you this is the best time to ever buy. Just imagine for a second buying anywhere inside of this box and saw what happened next. When you buy inside of this box, don't let greed control you. Emotion is a money killer. So a lot of people will try to time the absolute bottom. Who cares? If you close your eyes and just buy anywhere inside this box, you will look like a superhero a few years later. So same thing in 2018. We weren't making YouTube videos in 2014, 2015, unfortunately, but in 2018 we were. And we covered this golden zone happening here. We rarely enter the golden zone, but again, we entered it, and just imagine buying here a few years ago. We covered the golden zone extensively during the COVID crash, because everyone was saying during that COVID crash that we were gonna go a lot lower, but not us. We were saying, hey, wake up. This is the golden zone. You probably remember our videos saying, look, we're in the golden zone. Buy Bitcoin. And again, not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but don't let greed get in the way. We said it doesn't make a difference you buy at 5,000 or 4,000 or 3,000. It doesn't matter. Buy it in the golden zone and you will look like a superhero a few years from now. Fast forward a few years from that golden zone, and yes, you would look like a superhero if you bought there. Now, what's Bitcoin doing right now in terms of this golden zone, in terms of this rare golden zone that we almost never enter? And today, well, let's back up. We made the video in January, towards the end of January, saying that we just entered the golden zone. We were at about 34,000. And you probably didn't listen because you were greedy. You thought, well, maybe not 34, maybe I'll buy it at 31. Maybe I'll buy it at 30, 29. And you missed the boat. Don't miss the boat again. We just entered the golden zone yet again. It's very rare that we enter the golden zone. Now, does the golden zone mean we can't drop further? No, that's not the point of the golden zone. The golden zone is like, hey, wake up. It's time to add to your portfolio. Does it mean we can't drop 50% more down to that 14K? No, it means wake up, buy Bitcoin in this golden zone. That's the real key. That's why you subscribe to our channel. That's why you follow us, because we give you the facts that nobody's talking about. So hit that subscribe button. Go get your trade alerts for free for 7 days. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. It's in the link. 7 days, free alerts. CryptoCrewUniversity.com, and watch that video that's about to play on your screen. There's only one question left: when to sell your cryptocurrency. Click right here, right now, to find the 3 simple steps.